Looking for a smartphone adapter that fits seamlessly with your telescope, spotting scope, or microscope? NextYZ is designed to accommodate eyepieces ranging from 35 mm to 60 mm in diameter, including 1.25 inches and 2 inches sizes. With the included adapter ring, it even works perfectly with standard 25 mm microscope eyepieces. Its strong spring and threaded twist lock ensure a secure grip, so you can capture images confidently without worrying about slippage. What sets NextYZ apart is its compatibility with nearly every smartphone on the market. The adjustable phone platform fits devices of all sizes, even larger models like the iPhone 8 Plus and the latest Samsung Galaxy phones, usually without removing the case. This sturdy platform supports heavier phones effortlessly, making it a reliable choice no matter what device you use. If you often share your optical gear with friends or family, NextYZ's spring-loaded clamps make switching phones quick and painless. You can swap one device for another in seconds, making it perfect for star parties, group birdwatching, or any situation where multiple people want to capture their own unique shot through the same eyepiece. NextYZ's real game changer is its 3-axis adjustment system. Unlike most adapters that offer limited 2-axis tweaks, NextYZ lets you precisely center your phone over the eyepiece using X and Y knobs, then adjust the height with the Z knob. This means you can perfectly frame the entire field of view every time, and the whole setup takes just about 30 seconds, from attaching your phone to snapping the shot. Switching between phones, eyepieces, or optical instruments? No problem. NextYZ requires only minor tweaks to recenter your shot, and changing from portrait to landscape mode is as simple as rotating the padded eyepiece clamp and readjusting the 3 axes. This flexibility makes it a standout tool for anyone serious about smartphone astrophotography or macro imaging. Users across the United States praise NextYZ for its reliable mounting and ease of use. One iPhone 13 owner noted the adapter worked flawlessly, even though their phone's camera struggled with long exposures on distant planets. This highlights how NextYZ delivers solid performance, while camera settings remain the main variable for image quality. If you want a versatile, durable adapter that works with a wide range of optical devices and smartphones, NextYZ offers exactly that. It's designed to help you capture crisp, well-centered images with minimal fuss, whether you're pointing at the stars or examining tiny details under a microscope. Worth a look if you're ready to upgrade your smartphone imaging setup. Try NextYZ when you're ready to enjoy hassle-free adjustments, secure mounting, and the freedom to share your optical adventures with friends. It's the practical choice for anyone eager to capture every detail with precision and ease.